In this video, I'll show you how to create Like My Story, and I'll introduce you Add Your Story on Instagram. So if you want to become a part of this trending Add Your Story, then let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, first go to your app store, search for Instagram and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, you're tapping on search and you're searching for the following account, which is Add Your Sticks. So once you see it, go ahead and visit the profile page. Now scroll down and in the highlight section, you're looking for Feb 2024 P1. So if you see it, go ahead and tap on it. And now let that load. And once that loads, you want to go ahead and browse through these trending Add Your Story until you find the one that you're looking for. And there it is. Go ahead and tap on Add Yours. Now you want to go ahead and fill in all those details and then post this to your Instagram story. And there you go. That is how to become a part of this trending Add Your Story on Instagram. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.